People always ask me, how do I frame my paintings? Okay, so here's how I do it. I usually purchase and make most of my frames out of poplar wood, though I have done them out of oak or mahogany, as you can see here. But poplar is typically the choice wood. And then the insert is usually the back of the frame is made out of birch board. I run a channel which will accept the birch panel, just like so. And then when these are glued together, when they are mitered at 45 like so and glued, they produce a beautiful sturdy frame which will beautifully dress up any painting that you have. So here's an example of a painting that I'm getting ready to stain. Okay, we are ready to spray. Be sure to apply at least 3 coats of spray, waiting about 1 to 2 hours between layers. After the staining or spraying of the frame, your painting is ready to stand out in its new final home. If you'd like to inquire about how to own a framed painting like this, or if you want to commission your very own piece, then please direct your questions at pinguliart@gmail.com. I look forward to hearing from you.